So this is the entrance room to the new STNS lab. We have our coffee maker, sign-in sheet, IPC awards, probably some more coming, but who knows. Entry into the main room where we do all the inspection and is the primary microscope room. So we have two setups. First setup, workbench. Second setup, which is the primary one used. XRF equipment. Large table, bench for layout and inspection of parts prior to deciding what we're going to do with them. On this side of the room we have another series of microscopes, upright, high magnification up to 2000x. We have a confocal microscope, my office. This is now the solderability room. So we have stereoscope for part inspection, simple camera system for documentation, ST88 wetting balance, ST50 wetting balance. I'll just go backwards and show you the room. So in this area here we shall be putting a new wetting balance system that we're getting from Germany. And walk back out to back into the inspection room. And we go into the cross-section room. So in here we have all the equipment used for preparation, polishing and grinding of our cross sections. So we haven't added any equipment in here yet. Inspection scope, bench, weighing scales for making the potting compound up. Come back into the main room. Now we go to the second unit that makes up STNS. So in here we have our work in progress board. We have our samples in process and completed. It's a long room, so we have workbench on one side. We have our reflow oven for stressing. Isotemp oven for stressing, steam age chamber for stressing, temp humidity chamber, again primarily used for stressing, lab carver press for sample preparation. While you can see my car through the windows, these are darkened glass and you can't see in the other way. It applies to all the doors in the building. Into this room we have another Isotemp oven, peel tester for peeling copper foils off laminate, desiccator, maintain samples post-stressing prior to testing, surface plate, pull testers. We just purchased a new system, Coulometrics stripping system from Fisher Technologies. It's yet to be commissioned. Back out into the main room of this building and into the SEM room number 1. This is where our main SEM is at the moment. This is a Zeiss Evo 50. And on the other side of the same room We have a sputter coater to coat the samples prior to evaluation in the SEM, and we have our PerkinElmer TMA DMA for sample or material evaluation, glass transition temperature, etc. Into SEM room number 2. This is our latest acquisition that is currently still being commissioned. This SEM has some slightly different capabilities compared to the first SEM. This can be used to look at low or materials with low melting points as a Peltier cooling stage, and we can do low vacuum evaluation. So that's still in the process of getting commissioned. And then finally we have our storage room. So just as the name says, storage room. So we've got some older equipment, stuff we need to keep for spare parts, and racks for just general storage. This could be used for other things in the future. Back out of there. And back into the main lab room. Certifications. And then come back out into our entrance vestibule area, fridge, the awards, and again darkened glass that people can't see in, but we can see out. And that's it.